like Kobe standing back, like you want to crack.
So later in the day now, we're at the broomstick factory. We're staying here for festivities. A big fire is about to kick off. Fire time. Fire time. Broomstick.
Stand up, join down.
Jamie, let's go on the fire, mate.
Stand up.
Mate, it's sorted.
Sorted?
Yep.
And this is fired up.
This is actually sort of fired up, thanks to
Myself.
God of the SR. He obviously knows his SR. But no, it's got a shonky coil in there. I don't know what's
Yeah, it ended up just being a loose wire. Weirdly, I spotted it straight away. Are you stroking the furry wall? Is that a redskin? What are they called now? Is that a different name?
A redskin.
Oh, it's still called redskin. I thought they changed the name.
No, that's just in America, I thought.
No, I think it was here.
Oh.
How can you change the name in America when they have a sports team called the Redskins?
No, they made them change their name.
Really?
Yeah.
Not bad. Oh, man, good fire.
Not bad.
Not bad.
We didn't get to light it with that 13 light plane, but
Imagine if we had all of that 4-point-something tons of stuff that I had as well.
Oh.
No,
we would be in a bit of a situation.
Yeah. Well, looks like festivities are about to start. New Year's festivities.
I want to hop in. I want to hop in.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Quiet. Just sit down and be quiet.
You been driving auto long?
Nah. Apparently not.
Yeah.
Just remember to pop these tires, you own new ones.
Wait, new one, that one.
Yeah.
Merry New Year.
Very new. We're on the grass.
Yeah, need something under the front.
Yeah.
Do a slidey
I had
boys.
to do it for yours too.
Huh?
Wait, it doesn't feel right. Yeah.
Or just start on the grass behind it.
Nah, it'll just go straight. Yeah.
Shocked. Come back and start on the grass behind it.
No. Bastard! Pull, you bastard!
Hold on. Go to there, so you can start letting go about there, because you can start on the grass to get it going. Go on, start on the grass.
Oh, wow.
You weren't on the grass. Might have to clamp the back brakes.
Oh, you just ran some tires over.
Come forward a bit. Bit more forward. Right there.
When Jamie comes over.
What happened, Bossy?
Among my time to stop doing burnout.
In a better way.
Who does a bit of skid?
My mum. My mum doesn't want to hear your excuses.
Yeah, I don't want to hear the excuses either. We should have gone on the break.
Show you?
Yeah, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but
Not.
I think, nah, Microtech dramas.
Alright, what's happened? You've been given the green light?
We've been given the green light. We're allowed to blow it up, so we'll see how we go.
Oh,
Oh no, I didn't hit the right, didn't hit the.
oi! Did he just kick that? Yeah. Is that Cheech and Chong in there? Is that you, Cheech and Chong? There's smoke pouring out.
Loves it.
Doesn't sound like it loves it, but
No. Fuck it. We need a new motor.
yeah. You reckon? Alright guys, welcome to day 2 or 3 of this vlog. It's now 2021 and I'm just going over this new car and finding interesting stuff. No, I owned it a long time ago. A lot's changed. Now it has neons everywhere underneath it, which have been very crudely done, zip tied and whatnot. But I've just gone and taken the wheels off, and someone's probably 10 minutes off a big disaster with this thing, really. So these are completely the wrong wheel nuts for this car. They're actually like flat at the end, and they were just straight digging into the rims. So the fact that the wheels haven't fallen off and caused someone a really big accident is extremely lucky. Wow, it's yeah, it hasn't ruined the wheels, but it's definitely not good for them. You can see down inside they're meant to be clearly a tapered style nut, not a nut like that. So yeah, very lucky we found that now and not later on and had a huge issue with this car. So scary, but again, at least we found it now and not later on down the line. So we're going to get these ripped off. I think I'm going to have to jump in the Raptor and go for a trip to an auto store and get some decent wheel nuts. Alright, so I can immediately establish that wifey's pissed that I'm taking the wheels off the G37. However, there was a bit of camber wear on these tyres anyway, and I'm super lucky I've taken it off. Luckily a friend of mine around the corner already had Toyota wheel nuts, so I've got actual GK Tech wheel nuts that'll go straight on. So she ordered the wrong ones for her partner, so I'll just get her the right ones. So that works out, they're here. What I didn't know and what I wasn't sure of is the offset on the on these wheels that were on the G37. Turns out they're a plus 22 9.5, which is literally perfection for a JZX. So yeah, there was a small spacer on the front of this. Don't need to put a spacer on this car. This offset is going to be absolutely mint. Tyres might be a little bit big, but like I said, they're a bit camber worn anyway. The tyres that were on the JZX are perfect, so I'll chuck them on the G for now. And yeah, like I said, I was probably going to sell it without the wheels anyway, because I do really like these AME Tracer wheels that are on here. So I'll continue to swap them over while not getting smacked in the face by wifey for doing it. All be good. We'll see what that looks like when we drop it down. I think it's going to look really good. Alright guys, so I'm in trouble. The wheels off the jzx90 don't fit on the G37. So I got to get some other wheels on that. So my wife's gone from pissed off to really pissed off. These old wheel nuts that do not fit, straight in the bin, super dangerous. Yeah, so I'm going to take the old wheels down to the track now, put them away because they have mint tyres and they'll fit on the Falcon and the 350 to drift on, and literally tyres are mint. Tell you what boys, the jzx90 looks spicy now. Look at this. It's amazing what wheels can do. This thing looks a bazillion times better right now. 100%. I'll keep these wheels on it. They're perfect. Yeah, I love them on here. And I haven't even taken it for a little drive yet, so it'll settle down from there as well. I'm going to get the boot open, chuck some of the wheels in, because you can fit bodies inside these boots, and get down the track and find some wheels that'll fit wifey's car. Might have to sacrifice some of the 350Z's wheels and get them put on here, so it's all good. Alright guys, I think I've saved myself. We got Adam's works wheels on the front, thank you Adam LZ. My XT7Rs on the back. You happy again? You can deal with it?
Yeah, did you tell everyone what you did?
What?
Just decided to start changing the wheels. I'm like, so what are you putting on mine? And he's just like, those. And I was like, well, I'm driving it. Refuse to drive it. And then I won't drive that because it's auto. So I said if I was going anywhere, it'd have to be in the Raptor. I think Luke realised how much that he drives the Raptor, so he's like, I'll go get other wheels.
Yeah, as you do, just get quieter and quieter and make it harder for me to edit.
Sorry.
Straight, eh?
Stop.
Oh, that was the beer, not
Yeah,
boobs.
sure.
Well, it was beer and boobs in that shot. But yeah, so we got the all JDM wheels back on that. JDM AF on the 90. I just ripped off the bonnet underlying because it was sort of hanging and yuck. So we'll have to get something done with the under of here. But what I'm going to do now is see if the standard blow-off valve is blocked or not, and if it's not, I'm going to block it. And I got a box from Max Speeding Rods here with things for my Falcon U, but I'm going to see if I can steal a couple of bits of piping out of there and make just a temporary metal intake pipe for the JZ, so maybe I can get it dosing a little bit, because it doses a little bit now, but it'd be kind of cool if it was kind of so yeah, it's all about making good noises, guys. You got to make good noises.
You should probably get a good car to put those good noises on.
Alright, so I ended up ordering a Max Speeding Rods. So there you go, Max Speeding Rods. Intercooler, like generic intercooler pipe kit for my Falcon. But there's more than enough piping in here for me to be able to maybe cut some up and use it and make a metal intake for the 1J. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do today in this vlog. It might carry on to tomorrow's vlog, but we'll give it a try first and see how we go. Sometimes I really surprise myself with this stuff and I make things work, and other times I suck.
Other times he puts a post up being like, can anyone do this? I don't know how to do it. Come over to mine. No.
No?
I'm ordering school clothes.
I'm going to do an intake to get rid of the plastic bit. Hopefully make better turbo noises. Alright, I didn't film it because none of you guys need to see me cutting, but I think this will do kind of the job I want it to do, hopefully. But should get it in a nice spot pretty much almost to go straight onto a pod filter. Alright guys, I didn't film it again. Unfortunately, I'm not that YouTube guy that films all of it because I'd just get frustrated. I was very frustrated doing this, but I do have a result, like a good result. I got it done, and I need to fix something that I just realized I've done wrong. But for the most part, it's done. It's kind of worked out decent. I didn't have a reducer for here, so I've had to just build with tape and use a dodgy one, but full metal intake. So yeah, I'll see what it sounds like in a sec. I might chuck a GoPro in the bay. I've also blocked off the factory blow-off valve, so my hope is with the aftermarket blow-off valve blocked and factory blow-off valve blocked and a metal intake, we might get some good turbo noises. So let's go for a drive. Alright guys, so we're having a little family cook up. Kiddies are running amok in the hammock. 8/6s. It's been a good but busy day. Good day?
Yeah.
Good day.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did a mow of the lawns again. I think that was yesterday. Or was that today?
No, that was yesterday. That was definitely yesterday.
This vlog's gone on for a few days. So anyway, got a cook up going, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. Otherwise, if you feel like it as well, hit up my store and grab yourself some merch. And most of all, keep positive. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.